Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Skillshare, what it actually is, what you can expect out of it, and also what it's worth. So let's start. Skillshare is a creative learning platform that helps teams to understand their work well and improve their efficiency. The platform provides a catalog of creative content that holds a great quality of learning material. Whether the team wants to learn hard skills or they want to find a new creative outlet, Skillshare is capable of teaching the entire team about every skill. There are more than 35,000 classes that provide users with choices to learn the skills that will enhance their value in the team. The platform also gets an easy-to-use admin portal that enables a straightforward process for onboarding and managing their team. Skillshare facilitates users to learn from creative experts and innovators in a seamless way. The available teachers are icons, experts, and industry professionals who are ready to share their wisdom, experience, and trusted tools with the entire learning team. I would say it's made mainly for businesses, but also individuals can take an advantage from dedicated courses. They are located in New York, and you can run it in your web browser, as I'm running right now, and also in your mobile phone. If it's Android or iOS, it doesn't actually matter. If we're gonna check the theme plans, we're gonna check the pricing, and obviously Skillshare for teams, built for businesses looking to elevate their L&D or employee, which is $159 per user a month. That's pretty much it, but you don't really can go wrong with it. As you can see, they are also providing some custom options, and they are not providing free trial, sadly. At least that I'm not aware of. We can just check it out. Yeah, I think that they are without an free option where you have to start now. So that's about it, guys. If you have any types of questions about Skillshare or Skillshare for teams, please let me know underneath this video and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.